Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets nature. Transform your space, elevate your vibe. Asterisk. A beautiful home is more than a collection of rooms. It is an experience created through thoughtful design, meaningful details, and an atmosphere that makes everyday life feel extraordinary. Among all the spaces in a home, the kitchen has become one of the most important places where beauty, comfort, and connection come together. Modern open-plan living has completely changed the way we experience our homes. Instead of separating the kitchen, dining area, and living room, an open layout creates one harmonious environment where every space feels connected. This sense of openness can make a home feel larger, brighter, more welcoming, and much more sophisticated. Luxury design is not simply about choosing expensive materials. True luxury comes from balance. It is found in beautiful proportions, carefully selected textures, elegant lighting, natural materials, and colors that work together effortlessly. When these elements are thoughtfully combined, even everyday moments can feel special. Color plays a particularly powerful role in creating atmosphere. Soft neutrals can bring calmness and warmth, while deeper shades can introduce character, sophistication, and visual depth. Earthy tones create a natural connection with the surroundings, while refined metallic details can add a subtle sense of glamour. The most impressive interiors often achieve luxury through harmony rather than excess. Materials also have the ability to transform the personality of a space. Stone introduces timeless elegance. Natural wood adds warmth and character. Textured fabrics create comfort, while carefully chosen finishes provide subtle visual interest. When different materials are layered together, the result becomes rich and dimensional without feeling overwhelming. Lighting is another essential part of luxury interior design. Natural daylight can instantly make a space feel fresh and expansive, while carefully positioned architectural lighting creates warmth after sunset. Decorative fixtures can become beautiful design statements, adding personality while enhancing the overall atmosphere. An open kitchen also encourages connection. It allows conversations to continue naturally between different areas of the home. Cooking, dining, relaxing, and entertaining can become part of one shared experience. This makes the space feel less like a functional room and more like the heart of the home. Furniture and decor should complement this feeling of openness. Clean silhouettes, comfortable seating, elegant dining arrangements, and carefully selected accessories can create an environment that feels polished yet inviting. The goal is not to fill every corner, but to give every element a purpose. Natural elements can make luxury interiors feel even more welcoming. Indoor plants, organic textures, wooden surfaces, and views toward greenery introduce freshness and create a calming connection with nature. This combination of modern architecture and natural beauty can make a home feel both impressive and peaceful. Ultimately, the most memorable luxury spaces are those that reflect a feeling rather than simply following a trend. They combine functionality with beauty, sophistication with comfort, and modern design with timeless character. Your home should be a place that inspires you every day. It should feel welcoming in the morning, relaxing in the evening, and unforgettable whenever you share it with others. At Modern Homes and Gardens, we believe great design is about creating spaces that elevate everyday living. Whether your style is warm and natural, bold and dramatic, soft and elegant, or beautifully minimal, thoughtful design can transform the way a home feels. Because luxury is not only what you see, it is what you feel when you walk through the door.